Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I will talk about some important facts related to Get 2022. Yes guys, the students who are from social science background who want to pursue their MA degree from IIT, and also the students who are from like social science background. Okay, if you want to pursue your PhD degree, so Get Humanities and Social Science will be your perfect exam. Guys, IIT, all of you know that the IITs like IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, Kanpur, and Guwahati, and Roorkee also. These top seven IITs are the best in our country, as well as they are the one of the best in the world. Okay, so guys, if you want to pursue your degree from IIT, if you want to good exposure, if you want to get best research facility, so you should give this exam Get 2022. Okay guys, so if you want to get very good information, valuable information, you should watch this video till the end, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification when I'll publish my videos. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. Okay, so tell I will tell about Get 2022. Okay, some information related to Get 2022. Wait for a moment. Okay, so in this video you will get some valuable information about Get 2022. And listen, IIT Kharagpur will conduct Get 2022, and some facts related to IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur is one of the best and the oldest IIT, and the one of the best in our country as well as in the world. So this institute will conduct, okay, Get 2021 exam. And in previous year, like when it like IIT Kharagpur conducted a Get exam, like all the years, so the question paper of IIT Get is was like moderate level. So just start your preparation from this month or next month, and I am giving you the best suggestion. Guys, you should start preparation from this month. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. And one more important information is that, okay, one thing guys, I think I should check it. I think I should check it, this. One second. Otherwise you will not be able to see this. Okay, so now the problem is solved. Okay, okay, so Get 2022 will be conducted by IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so these are the some important facts related to Get 2022. And you will get notification in July and August. So you have to check Get website, okay, regularly. And one more important information is that registration process will start from September, and exam will be conducted in February. And all of you know that all of the exam will be conducted in February. Okay, and your exam will be held on like from 2nd February to from 14th February. Okay, so 14th February. So like you will get one more important information is that you will get get notification in July or August, and registration process will start from September, and exam will be conducted, okay, from February. Already I have mentioned from February. So from February, exam will be from 2nd February to 14th February. So your exam dates will be from this, okay, from 2nd February to 14th February. I think guys you should watch the GATE website regularly, okay, and you should fill up the forms, etc. So I'll make a different video related to GATE 2022. So if you want to get information related to GATE 2022, you should subscribe my YouTube channel. You should press the bell icon, because GATE Humanities and Social Science is the only YouTube channel where you will get important information related to GATE Humanities and Social Science paper. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you. Tata, bye bye from my side. All the best. Take care.